In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of technical SEO. I'll tell you what technical SEO is and why it's important. In technical SEO, we try to achieve two objectives. The first one is we want to technically optimize a website so that search engine crawlers can first of all crawl our website and then index it without any problems. You now know why crawling and indexing is important. Google crawls your website and indexes it and only shows websites in their search results that are in their index. This means that no matter how much on-page or off-page SEO you do, if your website is not optimized technically, then you won't get any traffic from search engines. Usually, people make small mistakes which makes search engine crawlers difficult to crawl their website. In this course, we'll make sure that crawlers can access, crawl, interpret, and index your website without any errors. And the second objective is we want to improve the user experience of our website. Providing a good user experience is necessary because Google wants to show user-friendly websites in its search results. They want to show websites in their search results that are loading fast, that loads on mobiles and tabs properly, and sites that are secure. We also try to optimize our site structure to make it easy to navigate for both users and crawlers. There are many other things that can help us in improving the user experience of a website, but the most important is the website speed. If your website takes more time to load, then Google won't rank your website higher in the search results. Speed is one of the known ranking factors. That's why you should try to have a website that loads as fast as possible. In short, technical SEO helps us in improving the crawlability and user experience of our website. If you don't do technical SEO, crawlers will still crawl your website, but the process won't be efficient and they may also miss some of your important pages. If you launch a new website today, crawlers may take months to find and crawl your website. Another problem is that if your website is not technically optimized, then when you will update your content, crawlers won't know about it and your efforts of updating your content to improve your rankings will either be wasted or can take a longer time than if you technically optimize your website. Moreover, technical SEO is the first step in the whole SEO process. Other things that are important in SEO are keyword research, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. But technical SEO comes before all of these. I've told you the reason for this. If your website has technical issues and search engine crawlers are not able to crawl your website, then they won't show your website in their search results. That's why on-page and off-page SEO come later and technical SEO comes first. Whenever you start a new website, first of all, you have to optimize it technically. If you already have a website or client has given you any website and you see that it's not technically optimized, then you can technically optimize it later. But keep in mind, whenever you launch a new website, do its technical SEO first. But the good thing about technical SEO is that you have to do it once. All the things that I will tell you in this course, you have to do once. After that, you just have to monitor it. If any error arises, then you simply have to solve it. Almost all search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex provide you free webmaster tools. You have to add your website in these tools. When you will add your website over there, they will crawl it and will notify you if they find any issues during crawling. You can solve those issues and they will also tell you whether the issues have been resolved or not.